A Ugandan farmer starts with 52 Ankole cows and sells 27 of them. This vertical equation finds the remaining cows, 52 minus 27. In the ones column, we hit a wall. You have 2, but must take away 7. Never simply switch the numbers. Instead, we use a technique called regrouping. Regrouping is the essential tool we use to solve subtraction problems anytime a column does not have enough units to subtract from. This split screen shows what the math actually looks like. On the left is our equation. On the right, 52 is represented physically by 5 bundles of 10 sticks and 2 loose ones. We need to take away 7 loose sticks, but we only have 2. To get more loose sticks, we have to look to the tens column. We take 1 bundle of 10 and untie it. Those 10 sticks slide over to join our 2 loose ones, giving us 12 loose ones in total. Now we translate that physical action back to our math problem. We removed 1 bundle of 10, so we cross out the 5 and write a 4 above it. Because we moved those 10 sticks into the ones column, we cross out the 2 and write 12. Now we can actually subtract. 12 minus 7 leaves 5. 4 minus 2 leaves 2. The farmer has 25 cows remaining. People often call this step borrowing a 1. That phrase is misleading. You are not borrowing a single unit, you are moving a full group of 10 from one column to the next. This vertical equation sets up our next major challenge, 403 minus 178. Starting in the ones column, we see we cannot subtract 8 from 3. We look to the tens column to regroup, but there is a 0. There is nothing there to take. To bypass this roadblock, we have to skip over the tens entirely and pull from the hundreds column first. Before I show you how this works, pause the video, grab a piece of paper, and try to rewrite the top row of numbers yourself. Here is the first step. We take 100 from the 4, leaving 3. That 100 becomes 10 tens in the middle column. Now the tens column has something to give. We take 1 10 away, leaving 9, and move it to the ones column, turning the 3 into a 13. With the regrouping done, we solve column by column. 13 minus 8 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. The answer is 225. A 0 in your top number is not a dead end. It simply means you must travel 1 column further to the left to start a chain reaction of regrouping. Let's put these rules into practice. A school in Kampala received 424 mathematics books and gave 95 of them to primary 3. To find out how many books remain, we set up our vertical equation, 424 minus 95. We cannot take 5 from 4, so we regroup a 10. The 2 becomes a 1, the 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. We cannot take 9 from 1, so we regroup 100. The 4 becomes a 3, the 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. Drop down the 3, and we have 329 books remaining. This checklist summarizes the absolute rules of subtraction. Stack your numbers by place value. If the top number is smaller, regroup. Lower the neighbor by 1, add 10 to your column, and subtract. Mastering these exact mechanics ensures your calculations are always accurate. This is how math helps us reliably count, share, and organize resources in our communities.